Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fix a VAN68 error in Riot client. So guys, today I'll be showing you multiple solutions, so just simply follow along. For the first solution is you could just simply go to your start menu and just simply search for services and just simply click on services system. And now from here, you will just simply scroll down until you find over here VGC. As you can see, right click on this and you can just simply go ahead and go for properties. And here on the properties, guys, if you have this on manual, make sure this one is on automatic. And if the server status is stopped, you can just simply click on start over here. And now make sure to select apply and OK to make the changes. And now once you have done that, another thing that you could do is you could just simply open up the task manager into your start menu and then go ahead and go for the start up apps. Now over here, you should be able to see the Riot client services. Right click on this and make sure that this is enabled. And also guys, make sure the VG tray is also enabled. And once you have done that, you can just simply restart your computer and you should be able to fix the issue. Now, another option that you have is you could just simply go ahead and go for a run and go for percentage app local data percentage. And now from here, click on OK. And from here, you would just simply search for the Riot Games. So here, when you go for the Riot Games, you could just simply right click on it and delete it. Now just simply go for your settings and then go for the apps, go for the installed apps. And from here, search for the Riot Vanguard. So it will be something like this and click on the three dots and uninstall it. Now, once you have deleted it, you just simply run the Riot back in and automatically it will reinstall the Vanguard and you should be able to fix the issue. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.